Hello everyone! I hope you all have a great day. I want to welcome you to my channel. My name is Peter and I want to share with you today, or show you better said, these beautiful Meister Anker watch. You never heard from the brand Meister Anker? That's okay. Not long ago I was in the same boat as you. Actually, this is a so-called German catalog brand from the Quelle Versand, a big German seller from the 80s, 90s. And they sold these watches under the Meister Anker brand in their catalogs. And they used all kind of movements, some kinds of quartz movements, hand winding movements, automatic movements, like in this case also. And from time to time they also used Glashütte movements. And in this particular watch should be also a Glashütte movement. To be precise, we have in this watch, as I've already know, the GUP 1126 movement from Glashütte. And to verify that, we got to check out now the watch. Maybe you also could help me verify it. Nice. No problem opening it. And there we have the movement. Yeah, I think it looks quite similar. Yeah. Let's try to see it a little bit in detail. The watch runs actually good. I've tried it some days and the movement itself looks also really clean, and also the rubber here looks like it got serviced not so long ago. Great. I think this is not so bad. 22 jewels in the movement, actually. What I saw also. It should be a good movement, what I've already saw. And I don't know. Let's get it back on. Yeah, looks good. So this watch, as I mentioned already, got 22 jewels. And about the size of the watch. We got 35 millimeters diameter. Really cool. Also, what I think is really cool, that we got it here with the C shape, like the old vintage Omegas. The dial is fantastic with the golden color and the texture. Really nice. The only thing is, what I miss is a quick set date. You just have to make a whole 24 hours to set the date. And I'm planning now also to use this strap here on this watch. And I think this should look really good. Let me get back to you with the new strap. Hold just on a second. So I'm back with the strap here. 1 second for you, 3 hours for me. Just kidding. And I think it looks nice. The strap actually looking good on it. And Now let's try wrist shot. It is an old strap that I've got here, laying around. Yeah, it looks not so bad, I think. I really like the C-shape case with the dial. It looks really good, and yeah, if the watch runs good, maybe I would go to a watchmaker, let him check the fittings again, the rubber rings, for a little bit of water resistant. But all in all, I think this is a good deal. I've bought it in a set for €49.50, and yeah, there was also some other watches from Kienzle, another Meister Anker, or better say Anker watch, that got more of my attention, but is really not in good condition. And yeah, this is, I think, I will try the watch now some days out, and yeah, maybe you can give me some information also about the watch, and I hope you like my video. If you like it, please leave me a like, and maybe you can leave me a comment with some information, or what do you think about this watch. So, thank you, have a nice day, bye!